Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, for those of you who don't know. And for today's video, I'm so excited. We're going to be doing another unboxing and just a generalized, quick, simple, what is in this month's Sephora Play Box. So if you guys don't know, this is my second month of Sephora Play, but it is my third box. So last time I did this, I did have two boxes because I did get one for free using a discount code. That discount code is no longer there. So I just had my regular Sephora Play Box, and this retails for $10 a month, and then you do get about $60 worth of products in here. It's about 4 to 5 trial small sized products, and there isn't a lot in here to do a full face. I'm just gonna say that. That's why I'm not going to be doing a full face of this product, of this box, just because there isn't enough to do a full face. Like, you get hair care, you get skin care, you do get some other stuff in here, so that is why I will not be doing a full face. But before we jump into the video, I just want to remind you guys to please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, so you can be part of the ATFB fam, and give this video a thumbs up if you do like Sephora Play unboxings. But without further ado, let's just jump right on into this video, guys. All right, so this is the box right here, and this is what it looks like. So you do get a little like pouch, and then you also do get play points. I don't know where I put my other play points, I don't remember, but you do get play points in here. And then you also do get like a little, I don't want to say pamphlet, but like a little paper, and it just states what you got in your box, and then just some destination beauty ideas, I guess. So you have to pack like SPF, you have to pack cleansing balms, eyeliner, stuff like that. So you do get that, and then in here is just a little bit of information about what is in this box, in this bag actually. So it just says work hard, play harder, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm not taking things out in a particular order, I'm literally just grabbing and going. So first thing that I did get, this is the Belief True Eye Cream. This is Aqua Bomb. I think I got this in an Allure box as well, I think. So this is a Cannonball Anti-Hydration with an ultra moisturizing, lightweight, anti-rich moisturizer that feels like a pool party for your face. So all this says is apply a quarter mask amount morning and night, or throughout the day as needed. And bonus tip, you can use it as a 10-minute emergency moisture mask. And honestly, I'm really excited that I got this in the mail, because if you guys can't see, which I don't know if you can, I went to the beach this weekend and I got burnt. Like, now I look tan, but I was burnt. And you guys, I never burn, I just instantly get tan. I was putting on a lot of sunscreen, especially on my face and like here, because I know usually I do get red here, but I am burnt. So, like, I'm putting aloe, and I was in a lot of pain. So right here, I am so dry and red that my makeup looks so nasty. I'm just gonna say my makeup looks like, you know when you have really, really dry skin and it just looks patchy, and that's what it looks like here. And today I use like Tatcha, I use really dewy stuff, and you guys know I have oily skin, so I still see that like dry patch. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use this as an emergency moisturizing thing tonight, because your girl needs a lot of moisture, because I'm way too dry right now, just saying. So I'm gonna take out the next thing in here, and this is the Sephora HYA Acid Hyaluronic Acid. So this is a Sephora collection. This is an all-day hydrator, hydrate and glow. Heading out for a spur of the moment trip, make sure you at least pack the essentials, like this lightweight daily moisturizer that delivers a natural glow. So this has hyaluronic acid in it, which helps with water retention to prevent dehydration. It has vitamins E and C, which increases radiance and nurtures the skin, and also has glycerin, which moisturizes like a pro. So let me open this up and show you guys what that looks like. So it's just a little sample moisturizer. So really excited to try this out. Again, I have dry skin right here because I'm burnt, so I cannot wait to use this. Then I'm just going to take the next thing out the box, and this is the Munchie Glow Bouncy Blendable Highlighter. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up, but that sounds really cool. So that is what it looks like, and ooh, that looks pretty. Ooh, that's really soft. That is the highlight. That looks So good. Ooh, that looks really pretty. I know that was like a weird place to swatch, but I was like, where can I swatch? It looks really pretty, guys. Ooh, I really like that. It looks so pretty. Okay, so this, who doesn't get a little cheeky on vacation, especially when you're wearing a white gold highlighter that delivers a glow on the go. So how to use to get radiance in a record time is for your fingertips over the cream to powder formula, then highlight the cheekbones, cupid's bow, and along the brow bone. So this is really cute. I'm gonna actually, let me put some on the tip of my nose. Ooh, that looks cute. That looks really cute. That looks really cute. I'm like extra dewy, like I said, because of my foundation and stuff, but that looks really cute. My nose looks adorable. That's really cute. I like this a lot. I really like that. I really like the texture of it. It feels creamy, but you also feel like that powdery too, so it just feels really cool. Like when you touch it, it's really soft, so I do like that. Then I'm just going to go ahead and take out the next thing. This is the Stila Slay All Day Liquid Waterproof Eyeliner. So there's a fine line between a wing and a cat eye. That's why this marker-like tip is a stroke of genius. So how to use: natural, start in the middle of your lash line and work your way out. Wing, place a tip on the outside corner and work your way in, and then connect to the lash line. Cut eye like a wing, but go ham. So I'm really excited to use this. I don't think I've actually ever used this, so I'm really excited to test this out. And the tip looks, ooh, yeah, the tip is super small. Let me see. Should I just swatch it? I have to do another video after this, but I might just swatch it. Let me see. Ooh, you can make a nice thin line with that. Ooh, but it was bleeding. Ooh, that bleed now just looks like I have stitches. Oh my god, guys, hold on. It literally just looks like I have stitches now because it like bled. I don't know if you'll be able to see. Let me see if that does it again. Oh my god. Yeah, it looks like it bleeds. Yeah, this totally bleeds. Okay, you guys are gonna have to, okay, so I did 2 separate lines. If you guys can see, like there's a little other marks coming out. So it looks like it bleeds, but I guess like, I don't know if it's gonna actually bleed on your eye. I don't know. I've never used this, so I don't know. That's interesting though. And then the next thing that I got, this is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in Vanilla. So if you guys don't know, I love this. I do have the like regular scent, so it's kind of cool just to have the different scent because I heard this smelled so good. So let me see. Oh yeah, it just smells like vanilla. Like straight up vanilla. I mean, it is a vanilla scent, but I'm happy I got another one because I literally use that every single night. I just lather it on my lips. When holidaying, use any excuse to sleep in a little longer. For instance, my overnight lip mask needs more time to moisturize. Wake me up in an hour. So need to know brand: a leader of K-beauty scene for more than 20 years. Laneige steps up their skincare with hydro ionized mineral water that delivers intense moisture. So this literally, I put it on overnight and my lips just feel so much better. My lips were even like a little chapped after the beach, and this definitely helped. So really excited to use this. I mean, it's just a different like flavor, but I already love the regular one, so I'm happy to get another one. Then every month you do get like a bonus item. So this month's bonus item, this is the Diva Curl. This is a leave-in ultra moisturizing leave-in conditioner. While you're getting some R&R, your hair can keep working. This leave-in formula is perfect for strengthening, protecting, and conditioning strands. So need to know brand: evenly distribute throughout wet hair from root to tip, then finish styling. There's no need to rinse out. Oh my god, no way. No need to rinse out. That's kind of cool. I didn't know that. Oh, that's really awesome. I'm really excited to use this. After I have been blonde, I'm looking for any deep leave-in moisturizer just to really help my hair out. So really excited to go ahead and try this out. So I had 5 items this month plus the bonus item, which makes for 6 items. But I really like everything I got. I mean, I feel like I got a mix of everything in this month's box. I mean, I had the makeup, I have skincare, I have hair care, I basically have everything. So really happy that I got this. And if you guys want any like in-depth reviews on any of these products, please leave me a comment down below and I will be posting an in-depth review of any of these items on my blog for you guys. If you guys want any more details and first impressions and stuff of that, let me know. That is it for this video, guys. I really did enjoy this month's box. It's a quick, simple video, but I really like getting little monthly subscription boxes. Before you go, I just want to remind you guys to please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, so you can be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty, and hit that post notification bell too while you're at it so you get notified of all of my future uploads. And leave me a comment down below. Do you want any in-depth reviews on these products? Let me know. I will write them on my blog. And give this video a thumbs up if you do like this month's box or if you do have Sephora Play. And that is it. I hope that you guys have a great day or night, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys!